episode number 19. Today I'm going to be doing a video demo of an app called Comprehension Therapy. It's an app designed for adults with aphasia, but it's actually a really good app for anybody that needs to work on receptive language skills and also reading. I'm going to be doing a demo on my iPad 2, and now let's go to my iPad 2 to take a look at the demo of Comprehension Therapy. Let's take a look first at their settings. If you click here on the top part on the right side of the screen, you have three settings as far as difficulty goes. They have easy, medium, and hard. And as I was playing along with this application, basically, if you go in the easy, it gives you images in different categories. And if you do hard, they make the target words be as close as possible within the same category. I'm going to demonstrate easy first. Now here they have a field size that it relates to the amount of images that they are going to have displaying on the application as the user is playing with it. Then you have the number of trials. You have 10, 25, 50, and 100. You can also set up a default email address to where the results are going to be emailed after you have done a session. But let's take a look at the session, and here you can see my settings. I have easy with 2 images within the field and 10 trials. Let's click on home. Let's try listen. Here they have nouns that is built in within the application. If you want to do verbs and adjectives, you have to purchase. Purchasing this application for verbs is an additional $3.99 for a pack of 100 verbs, and the same thing for adjectives. You pay $3.99 for a pack of 100 adjectives. Let's click on nouns that it was included. Here we have an auditory information for motorcycle. I'm going to click repeat.
Motorcycle.
And I can click on the correct image.
Checkbook. Matches. Carpenter.
Now I'm going to show you guys what happens if I do the wrong image. It gives you an auditory feedback. It also does a visual feedback with a red square to show that the image was wrong. And it gives, again, the target word pronounced again. I can click on repeat and have that auditory information repeated back to me. You can see on the top,
plumber.
We have 3 correct, 1 incorrect, 4 out of 10, so you know how many more images you have until the end. I'm just going to finish up the easy so you guys can see what it looks like once you get to the results.
Movie. Pretzel. Computer. Fireplace.
Now, as you can see here, once you get to the results, let me see if I can zoom in here in the screen. Once you get into the results, you get an information here on you can either email the results, or, I'm sorry, I got a little blurred. Let me try to fix this. And there we go. You can try to email the results. The results here, it was 90%. Number of correct with repetition was 1. Let me zoom out again so you guys can see it a little better, the whole screen. Let's adjust. And I'm going to click done. Actually, let's try email results. So as you email the results, it says client complete an auditory comprehension exercise using the Comprehension Therapy app at 3:11 on the 9th of July. Client correctly selected a picture noun to match an auditory stimulus with 90% accuracy from a field of 2. Client required repetition on a total of 1 item. It gives 90% accuracy. So it's a simple report that gives all the information that I think it's necessary for us to know about the progress. Now I'm going to go back here to settings, and I'm going to do hard with 6. So we're making this significantly harder for the client. I'm going to try read, nouns, And here the client has to read the word, in this case tomato, and I'm going to click on a tomato. You notice the difference here, first of all, is we have written word, and we have 6 items because I selected 6 items. Walker. Everything else remains the same. And another difference that by changing it to hard, it makes all the images within the same category. Here you can see we have all animals. And again, here we have all food items. If you remember back on the easy setting, let's click on done, let's go to easy and go back to the application. This time let me try listening and reading.
Arm.
So as you can see here, the words are in different categories. This is a really good way to approach users working on users with aphasia, because we know that they have a harder time naming items if they are within the same category. They tend to make those errors. Now let's click on the eye. It has some information on Comprehension Therapy. You can follow them on Facebook, follow on Twitter, and of course like them on Facebook. I enjoyed the app, and that was it for Comprehension Therapy.
The following was brought to you by Articulated, the most powerful app for articulation therapy. With over 1,000 images, a voice recorder, and group therapy capabilities, student engagement will never be the same.
That was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you download the free GeekSLP app from the iTunes Store by searching GeekSLP. And that was it. See you guys next time. Bye.